Ladies and gentlemen, we are live, and today we are opening the brand new. Literally, I probably am one of the first people to have gotten this that's not like doesn't have any sort of like preferential access other than pre-order on blah, because it got to me at 12 o'clock today, 11 o'clock, 11:45. We got a fast break box. I don't know anything about them really. Let's look though. We can get number to 1 cards. That's good. We can get fast break red, fast break blue, fast break pink. So it's all the same exact shit, really. So, but except for the black is numbered to 1 instead of the gold vinyl. It looks like pink is ahead of blue. Base rated rookies hollow, fast break hollow, base rated rookies, fast break purple, red, blue, pink, gold, black. All the same shit. All the same shit basically, except they're the different parallel. Let's see how we do. These boxes cost, I want to say $250 or $300. I think they lowered it to $250. And it's 9 cards per pack, and it's 10 packs, which I don't really like. I don't like the layouts where they do less packs, because I just feel like you get more base shitty cards, which I'm not trying to get, but we'll see. I have no idea. We're gonna have a big hit, big score though. So it looks like to me, Trey Murphy, it looks like to me that we have a Duarte. So this is an insert. Steph Curry. And this would be a base, I believe. Steph Curry. That was weird and cool. So Steph Curry, fast break, holla. Cool. Good pack. No numbers. No idea how many numbers there would be. My guess is like 2 to 3. Let's hope that's the case. Rated rookie, hollow, Cam Thomas. So a prism of that. Cam Thomas prism. All right, let's keep it moving. So I can say already that, I mean, now you can get hobby boxes for what, $450? And if you're getting these for $250, oh my god, look at that centering, man. If you get these for $250, I don't know. From what I've seen thus far, and I haven't got it numbered, I think I'd rather just fork up the money and get a hobby box. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a blue. We have a blue vet, it looks like. Let's see what blue is numbered to. $50. Number to 50. Oh, I thought it was Ja for a second. Really, really atrocious centering there. Really atrocious centering. The bad thing with these cards, I think, is that people don't care. Like, it's not the base card, you know? Sure, I think they look cool. Like, I think the hollows look cool, whatever the fuck they are, but it's not the card. It's not the card that everyone knows. So it's like, I just think it's less. I really don't know. I don't know enough about cards at the moment to know if they definitely command a serious less of value. I would definitely imagine they do, though. Rated rookie, come on. Isaiah Todd. Oi. You get some. You get a good amount of ripping here though with these. It's not atrocious. I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Either of them. LeBron. I'm gonna go live actually. You know what? I'm gonna go live on Instagram too. Un momento. I think I might have a good card for some reason. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. We're going to go. Whatever this is, it looks like something weird. For those of you just joining us, we are opening Fast Break. What is this? Is this just an insert? Oh, that's the auto. That's the auto. That's the auto. I'm going to go fast because rookie, Fast Break. Isaiah Todd. It is a prism. This isn't the Isaiah Todd box. Right here. It is a prism. I would imagine that there is no on-card autos. And we got a Jokic stargazing. Let's make sure this isn't numbered. It's not. I would imagine there's no on-card autos, which is like a huge part of the pull for this box. A huge part of the pull. So I don't know. It's hard to rationalize how you could get this box, in my opinion. It don't make sense to me. Jalen Green. Suggs. Raider rookie. Keon Johnson. It is a decent amount of ripping, though. We have a red. Reds are to what? Let's look. Let's fucking look. Who cares? $85? 85 out of 85 is something that we have. I don't know. I guess because they made less of it is the way they're doing that. It's a vet. It's a cool looking picture. A Coro. 85 of 85 a Coro. Alright. So that's what? 2 numbers. We got the Steph Curry. So that's probably all we're gonna get. Two or possibly 3, I would think. Oh my god, look at that. Is that real? Like, what is that even a card? Like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Purple. I like the looks of that. Purple. Let's see. No, purple is the worst one. Purple is the one that has the least, is the highest numbered card. Should have been that hard to say. Jalen Brunson. I think they're kind of cool looking. 7 out of 95. Kind of cool looking. So we got 3 numbered cards. We got 1 auto. We probably didn't even do that bad on the box.